If you're tired of tangled cords, loud engines, or just want a no-hassle way to trim your lawn, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best cordless grass trimmers of 2025, from budget beasts to premium powerhouses. Whether you're taming the jungle in your backyard or just doing some light edge work, there's something here for every yard warrior. We've dug through specs, real user feedback, and hands-on impressions to bring you the ultimate list. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find this helpful, drop a comment to share your go-to trimmer, and subscribe for more gear guides. All the links to these tools are down in the description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 5 is a compact favorite, the BLACK+DECKER LST201. If you're shopping on a budget but still want a solid performer, this one's worth a look. It runs on a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, giving you just enough juice for small to medium yards. It's lightweight, super easy to handle, and switches from trimmer to edger in seconds with a quick twist of the shaft. The automatic feed spool saves time, no bumping required, and the adjustable handle means it fits most users comfortably. Sure, it's not built for thick, overgrown brush, but for tidy-up jobs and basic lawn care, it absolutely delivers. Plus, it's compatible with other 20-volt max tools, which is a nice bonus. At number 4, we've got a sleek multitasker that's made for suburban lawn warriors, the WORX WG163GT 3.0. This isn't just a trimmer, it's also a precision edger with rubberized wheels for cleaner cuts along sidewalks and driveways. It runs on the 20-volt PowerShare platform, and here's the kicker. You get 2 batteries right in the box, meaning extended runtime and fewer breaks. Great value for anyone looking to get more yard work done in one go. The trimmer itself is light, super maneuverable, and easy to adjust thanks to its telescoping shaft and pivoting head. The command feed system gives you instant line advance at the press of a button, no bumping required. A flower guard helps protect plants and fences from accidental nicks, making it perfect for tight spots. It's not going to dominate tall, wet weeds or wild overgrowth. The power has its limits. But for general lawn care and detailed edging, this is a feature-packed, budget-friendly winner. At number 3, we're stepping things up with the Greenworks 40-volt cordless string trimmer, a seriously capable machine for more demanding lawns. It's got a 13-inch cutting path, dual-line bump feed, and variable speed control that lets you dial in more torque when needed or ease up to save battery. The 40-volt battery delivers solid runtime and charges fairly quickly, making it ideal for medium to large yards. The real highlight is its performance-to-weight balance. It's powerful enough to cut through thick weeds and overgrown patches without breaking a sweat, yet still feels stable and easy to control. The handle is adjustable, and the shaft design suits both short and tall users, so comfort isn't an issue. Minor cons: it's a bit heavier than entry-level models, and the bump feed takes a bit of a learning curve at first. But once you get the rhythm, it's smooth sailing. This one hits a sweet spot between casual trimming and pro-grade results. Coming in at number 2 is the DEWALT DCST922P1, a pro-grade tool with rock-solid performance and smart design. This 20-volt Max XR trimmer is built around a brushless motor that cranks out consistent torque, letting you power through dense grass, weeds, and everything in between. It features a swath adjustment between 13 and 15 inches, so you can go wide for big patches or narrow down for more precise work. What makes it stand out is the folding shaft, a rare find, which allows for easy transport and storage, especially if you've got limited space in your shed or garage. The grip is solid, the balance is excellent, and vibration is kept to a minimum. You'll feel the weight during longer sessions, and it's not feather light. And yeah, it sits on the pricier side. But if you're after durability, serious cutting power, and smooth handling, this one's built like a tank and performs like a champ. Holding down the top spot is an absolute beast, the Ego Power Plus ST1623T. This 56-volt monster is packing a ton of pro-level features, including Ego's new line IQ Tech, which keeps the cutting line at the perfect length automatically. That means zero bumping, zero hassle. Just pull the trigger and slice through whatever's in your way. What really makes it shine is the carbon fiber shaft. It's feather-light but incredibly tough, and the telescopic handle gives you a perfect fit regardless of height. The cutting width goes up to 16 inches, making it ideal for large yards, and the high-efficiency motor just chews through thick brush like it's nothing. It's also quiet, has great battery life, and the trigger response is buttery smooth. Downsides: it's definitely pricey, and the size might be overkill for smaller yards. But for power, comfort, and innovation, nothing beats this one in 2025. And that wraps up our list of the best battery-powered trimmers this year. Whether you're just looking to clean up the edges or need a serious workhorse, there's an option here that'll fit your yard and your budget. Want to check them out? All the links are waiting for you in the description. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let us know in the comments. Which trimmer are you rolling with this season? Catch you in the next one.